and you hear thunder and lightning, you're in a big storm. Did you ever wonder why it happens and what causes it? Well, basically, it's static electricity. Well, you know when you rub your feet against the woolen rug during the winter, and then you go and touch something metal, you see a spark come out, and you feel, ow! That's static electricity. What you do when you rub your feet against the rug is you're pulling off electrons, and eventually what happens, those electrons go into you and you get all charged up, literally, and then when you get someplace that doesn't have that charge, your body doesn't like being charged. Remember, nature likes balance. So when you touch a piece of metal, what you literally are doing are giving all those electrons to the metal. In other words, we say you're grounded. The same thing happens during a storm. The Earth is spinning on its axis. It's pulling along its atmosphere, and there's a rubbing. There's a rubbing between the Earth and the atmosphere and the clouds. And like that, electrons are being pulled off, and the clouds are getting more and more electrified to the point, like a balloon, they can't take anymore. So once they get to the point where they become saturated, then they have to get rid of all that electrical charge. And when they do that, they send it to the Earth, which is literally the ground, which can take an infinite amount of charge, and it comes down in what you might call a stroke. And it comes down very, very quickly, at the speed of light. And also in this process, vacuumizes or leaves a channel which is vacuumated. And so nature hates a vacuum. So what happens? All the air around it just now going sucked into that vacuum, and when you hear these air masses coming together, then you hear the thunder. So thunder and lightning is only just trying to get everybody electrically neutral. So the next time you see a thunder and lightning storm, you know what happens. It's only Mother Nature's way of getting into balance.